In this meditation, we will bring awareness and healing to the emotion of shame, which may coincide with chronic pain. Get yourself in a comfortable position. If you prefer, close your eyes. Let's start by taking 3 centering breaths. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out fully. Breathe in and out. Inhale and exhale. Now soften your breath and continue breathing slowly, allowing your body and mind to relax. Shame is an emotion we have when we perceive ourselves as not good enough or failing to do what we think is expected of ourselves. It involves critical judgment of ourselves. It is harmful. We all have made mistakes or had past failures and maybe even feel guilty. But it is important to forgive ourselves and to move on. It is not healthy to allow the guilty feeling to turn into shame. Some people feel shame because of the hurt or abuse put on them by another person. Shame has you feeling like you are a bad person. It can leave you feeling broken, unworthy, undeserving. It can lead to isolation and negative self-talk. Living with chronic pain can also lead to a feeling of shame. Maybe shame over not coping well enough. Shame over the inability to work, to help more around the home, or to care for children. Maybe shame over the need to take pain medication or have a procedure done. Shame for the financial expense that pain is costing. Shame that it is not feasible to just tough it out or push through the pain. Shame can feel emotionally painful, and that's why so many of us would rather suppress it, hide it away, not speak about it. However, Brené Brown advises, shame derives its power from being unspeakable. If we cultivate enough awareness about shame to name it and speak to it, we've basically cut it off at the knees. Shame hates having words wrapped around it. If we speak shame, it begins to wither. Acknowledging your feelings of shame can teach you to release it and to learn how to show yourself the same kindness and compassion you would extend to someone else. Learn to love yourself with less judgment. Instead of focusing on what is wrong with yourself, celebrate all the good qualities you have. At this moment, become aware of any shame you may have buried within you. Hold it tenderly with compassion for yourself. Allow the shame to soften showing less judgment toward yourself. Why do you think you feel this shame? Is it harming you? Is it time to release it? Take a few minutes to think about these questions, and then we will come back and end this meditation by speaking positive words of affirmation to ourselves. It is safe and healthy to expose my feelings of shame. I deserve to feel good about myself. I have the right to show myself compassion and kindness. I have amazing gifts, talents, and abilities. I am a good person who is worthy of love.